In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to take a screenshot on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Go tab up at the top and then select where it says Utilities. There should be an item in here that says Screenshot. Go ahead and double click on it to open it up. And then you can adjust what type of screenshot you want to take, different positions or angles of it, and then select the Capture button. And then once it's done, if you went ahead and clicked on it, you could then save it to a location on your computer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.